Okay, let's now talk about problem 3-22. So, yung 3-22 po, tinatanong sa atin ay the annual cost of holding inventory. So, ang general formula po kasi niyan is average inventory times the annual cost of holding 1 unit of inventory. No? So, yan. So, i-apply lang po natin dito, no? Pero ang medyo may, lang siya, konting, trick, no? Medyo tricky kasi meron siyang buffer inventory. When we say buffer inventory, ito po yung inventory na mini-maintain niya just in case na magkaroon ng delay sa delivery, no? Para hindi siya magkaroon ng stock out. So, according to our problem, there's a buffer inventory of 500 units. So, how do we compute na for the annual holding cost if there is buffer inventory na 500? So, the annual holding cost per unit according to the problem is $2. Multiply po natin yan dun sa average inventory. So, the next question is, how do we compute for the average inventory? So, multiply $2 to the average inventory. So, paano kinumpute yung average inventory? Yung buffer stock na 500 will be constantly held all throughout the year. So, ibig sabihin yung 500, yung average niya 500 na talaga all throughout the year. And then, according to our problem, kada daw umu-order, ang ino-order is 2,000. No? Kada order, 2,000 units. So, assuming that there is an even consumption of this 2,000 units, so ibig sabihin po niyan, itong 2,000 units, ang average po nito is 1,000 during the year. So, isasama mo lang po yan dun sa 500. So, this means meron kang 1,500 average inventory during the year. Multiply that to $2. So, ibig sabihin, ang sagot po natin for this question, annual holding cost is $3,000 US. Number or letter C.